What does road construction like in Japan? I'm at the Yokosuka's. This is a section we're going to have the road construction tonight. This is a taxi only entrance. See the taxi stopping up, and you're gonna see this. This is a night. It's around 9 p.m. See like a little tiny bulldozer pushing the asphalt. On the right is excavator. See the size, so small. You see how like a bulldozer to push the asphalt all the way up, and excavator is cracked. This is gonna move it, the asphalt piece. See, look at it and lift it up. Yeah, crack. This is a night view of the Yokosuka you just saw. So this is how we're gonna do. They start the construction around 9 p.m. They try to finish before the next day. Well, see you next time. Bye.